Hello and welcome to ImmigraFlow. My name is Alex Moreno. If you're applying for a US visa or green card in 2025, this video can help you avoid delays, denials, and costly mistakes. Today, I'll share the most common visa mistakes to avoid in 2025 and what you can do to protect your application. Let's begin. One of the biggest mistakes applicants make is choosing the wrong visa category. Applying for a visa that doesn't match your real situation, family, work, student, or adjustment of status can result in immediate delays or denials. Never guess. Make sure your visa type accurately matches your intent and documents. Even small errors can cause big problems. Missing information, typos, or inconsistent dates can trigger requests for evidence or rejections. USCIS systems are strict. Every detail must match exactly across all forms. Always review before submitting. Submitting an outdated form is one of the fastest ways to get rejected. USCIS updates forms regularly. If you use the wrong version, your application may be returned without review. Always confirm you're using the latest USCIS form. If your documents are not in English, translation mistakes can seriously hurt your case. Incomplete or incorrect translations can raise red flags and delay approval. Translations must be complete, accurate, and properly certified. Missing a deadline can lead to automatic denial. USCIS sets strict timelines for biometrics, evidence requests, and interviews. Always check your mail, track your case status, respond immediately to USCIS notices. Organization is critical. At ImmigraFlow, we simplify the immigration process using AI-powered tools. We help you understand immigration forms step by step. Avoid common mistakes. Get guidance in multiple languages like English, Spanish, Chinese, and more. Our goal is clarity, confidence, and peace of mind. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone applying for a US visa in 2025. Follow ImmigraFlow for clear immigration guidance you can trust. I'm Alex Moreno. See you in the next video.